It is remarkable how many bizarre norms exist in our culture that most people don't examine. Consider the following scenario. Why do nearly all jobs require 40 hours of work per week? Why do nearly all bachelor's of degrees take 4 years to complete? Why do practically all retirements begin at the same time, at the age of 60 or older? Tim Ferriss, author of The 4-Hour Workweek, asked us to re-examine the invisible assumptions and standards we follow. Frequently, you will learn that the rules have no rationale. We're simply replicating what we observe other people do and assuming that if it's widespread, it must be correct. According to Tim, reality is largely negotiable if you stress test the boundaries and experiment with the impossibles. You'll quickly discover that most limitations are a fragile collection of socially reinforced rules you can choose to break at any time. Instead of following the herd, you can practice lifestyle design, which is defined by Tim Ferriss as being crystal clear on exactly what you want your life to look like. Most people don't do this since it seems so straightforward. But if you want to avoid sliding into the 9 till 5 routine, then you must create the lifestyle you'll desire and then take actions that lead you towards that. If you ever wanted to go on a vacation for months at a time, you may need to create a business that allows you to operate remotely from your home computer. Take, for example, computer programming or graphic design. These jobs allow workers to work from anywhere in the world. To sum up Tim's goal-setting advice, here's what he says. Make a list of things you aim to achieve in the following year or two. There are a wide variety of things that you may want to acquire, such as new skills, material possessions, and experiences. Determine the monthly cost of each of these items. As a result, you'll have to target monthly income number, which we'll name TMI, target monthly income. Then divide this number by 30 to get a TDI, target daily income. For Tim Ferriss, for example, to ride an Aston Martin DB9 in style, have a personal assistant handle his life, cover all his expenses, including a new house and motorcycle, become a best-selling author, and take a month-long trip along the Croatian coast to celebrate, he must make $2,000 per day, $1,000 per day, no, $197.90 per day. That is his TDI, target daily income, that will enable his ideal lifestyle. It's a simple idea with profound implications. Now, what should you do to reach your target daily income? You'll have to be hyper productive, and we'll need to adopt the strategies that we will discuss in the next lecture. Our ultimate objective in this section will be to demystify the steps, strategies, and principles to double your income. Cut your working hours in half and at least triple your free time. Let's go!